Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I'm Benjamin Bookkeeper, your financial guide, and today we're tackling a topic that's a financial game changer. Building your emergency fund. If you've ever wondered why an emergency fund is crucial or how to start building one, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of financial safety nets. An emergency fund is like a financial safety net, providing you with a cushion for unexpected expenses. It's that pot of money you can dip into when life throws you a curveball. Building an emergency fund is not just a good financial practice. It's a key element of your overall financial well-being. The first step is determining how much you need in your emergency fund. A common guideline is 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund is there to cover essential expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and other necessities in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Don't feel overwhelmed. You can start small. Consistency is the key. Set a realistic monthly savings goal and stick to it. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Building an emergency fund is about forming good financial habits. Where should you keep your emergency fund? A high-yield savings account is a popular choice because it offers a balance of accessibility and a modest interest rate. The key is to keep the fund easily accessible for emergencies while also earning a bit of interest over time. Your emergency fund is not a rainy day fund for impulsive spending. It's for genuine emergencies. Car repairs, medical bills, unexpected job loss. These are the situations where your fund comes to the rescue. Using your emergency fund wisely ensures it remains a reliable safety net when you truly need it. And there you have it. The essentials of building your emergency fund. It's a financial tool that brings peace of mind and helps you navigate life's uncertainties. If you want to learn about strategies for paying off debts, click the link above to check out my previous video. And stay tuned for my next video where we will talk about credit scores. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. How's your emergency fund journey going? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, and stay financially resilient.